Assalamualaikum. This is Shahil. I'd like to show how to solve this error. Briefly, unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. It's a common error in every WordPress site. This is a common error, and why it's come? Why it came? Because if user or admin when update their plugins or theme, automatically WordPress you can see this error, and WordPress create a file, the dot maintenance file. It's automatically create, and when the plugin and theme updated, then automatically this file has gone, and site automatically is okay. If the site is not automatically fixed, then you can go to your cPanel and go to your file, your website file, and then delete this file. This file actually this will actually look like this, and you can just go to your website file, and you can just delete this file, just delete, and you can just refresh your site. It will be fixed, and you can show your website. So thank you everyone watching for my video, and please subscribe my channel for next upcoming WordPress error. How can I solve? And if you difficult with any WordPress error, please comment on the video section. I will try to solve this. Thanks. Assalamualaikum.